City rain records, slow motion. Everything fell in slow motion, yeah. It started like a spark in the cold. You held me close before you let go. I didn't see the distance unfold, didn't hear the silence take control. Your eyes were telling stories I couldn't decode. Your heart was drifting down another road, and I tried, God knows I tried to hold a love that was already letting go. We were fading like city lights at dawn, warm hands turning colder as the nights got long. You stayed next to me, but something felt wrong. I could hear your heart saying it's gone. We fell in slow motion, like rain from a broken sky. Love drowned in its own ocean, and we never learned to survive. We fell in slow motion, watching the pieces collide. You slipped right out my fingers, like you were never mine, never mind, never mind. You used to trace your fingers on my skin, now your memory I whisper in the winds. Funny how we lose before we begin, funny how heartbreak always wins. I replay the nights we stayed awake, talking about dreams we never make. Was it real or just another mistake? Cause loving you still makes my bones shake, still makes me shake. I should've seen the cracks in your smile, should've known your heart was gone for a while. But I held on like a child, hoping love would reconcile. Quiet of the night, using battles I can't fight. You were wrong, but maybe I wasn't right for the versions of you tried to hide. Like shadows drifting apart, you walked away so softly, but your silence catch